Today I would like to make another small program about gua sha. And gua sha, it's a special massage instrument for the not only for the face, for the whole body. And it exists more than 5,000 years in China. You can see how it look like. Different shape. It's called fish. Have some tail and very thin, but not sharp corner. Everything is round. Everything is feminine. And if you go to China, you can buy a set of gua sha. You can see it's two fishes. It's big stone, and this is a comb which I use, for example, for some my patients after the chemotherapy when they lose the hair, so they can comb 2 times per day gua sha, make gua sha massage, and then their hair just start to growing very fast. And today I demonstrate again how I make every day, I say every day, gua sha massage. So I take baby oil in my face, little bit, maybe in my skin. Then I take this big gua sha which I have travel set. I put this in the like a small book, always travel. And this green one which I demonstrate in another program, I broken this. It was fall down in the floor and broken down for 1,000 pieces. And it happens. This is made from the horn of the cows. That is why it's more robust and it's good for travel. So I start to shave my face after I apply some oil there. Shape to the temples. Temples, it has 2 holes here, and all of the lymphatic liquid come there and then disappear. Then I make the shaving for my neck and under the chin, and back in the back side of my neck also. Very important. And my point is that when you massage, your skin start to be pale rose color, but never you have the bruises. Chinese people, when they make the gua sha, they make so severe that it comes bruises. When you have the bruises, it means that you small arteries and veins, small one, capillaries, was broken, and it comes some cloth of blood there, and that is dangerous, because if you have some like a cloth of blood and it starts to travel in your body, you could have damage your health infect. That is why I never do this with the bruises. I make this only pink color, reddish pink. So, and then I put this down, and then I start to massage upper part of my head. Here I have a lot of wrinkles. We will talk about this also. My video is using in the school for example, for teaching people of the gua sha massage. I saw my video was using in China, in Japan very much. But what I would like to say that it's also critics. They told that you should do this only in one direction. What I would like to say, you try to find your own way, how you do this. Because we are all different. If you just put all people in one system, so it will be communist system like this, it's a dictatorship. So I show what is good for me, and you find out what is good for you. So the door is open in such way. So sometimes I take my finger, then I take the fish, take my finger, and then I make the massage of the finger, and also it should be pale rose, but not so much reddish. Little bit maybe reddish, but not so much, like this. You can see, so it's enough. So it's good, for example, if you have arthritis or you have bad circulation, so it's really good for your fingers, it's really good for your skin. But never bruises. This is my advice. Maybe somebody would like another system, it's also okay. I say that exists 1,000 flowers in the world, let them will be in the world. But my flower, and it's like this, my experience say to me, never bruises. So, and then I massage. If I have, for example, troubles with the throat, I can massage here a little bit. Nose, you can massage close to the nose. And it's like a shaving, because what I told again, that men have not so much wrinkles because they shave every day. Women have wrinkles because we do not shave. A lot of people ask me how long time you should do this before you will be free from the wrinkles. What I would like to say, you should do this every day. So all of your life, no excuse not to do this. So build books for easy living, nice people, and Irina Bjorna, your friend and coach, and show you a lot of small secrets. Bye.